Bench testing a 1959-1960 Cadillac power antenna manufactured by Pioneer, serial number PA10272025, offered by TT Parts Rebuilding. Run-up test. Test number 1, mast extended. Test number 2, mast retracted. Test number 3, mast insulated from ground, mast floating in housing. Test number 4, mast continuity to radial coaxial input. Test number 1, mast extended. Test number 2, mast retracted. Again, test number 1, mast extended. And test number 2, mast retracted. Test number 3, mast insulated from ground. We're using a standard continuity tester, touching ground. We have tone. Back to the tester and demonstrate that the mast is insulated from ground. Touching a part of the antenna housing, we see we have continuity. Back to the tester. Indication of continuity from the housing. Back to the tester. We'll be probing the antenna mast. Demonstrate that the mast is floating in the housing and insulated from ground. No continuity. Back to the tester. Touching the housing, we have continuity back. Touching the coaxial cable adapter, no continuity. Only continuity we have is at the housing of the antenna. And we are insulated from ground to the antenna mast. Demonstrate the mast is floating in the housing. Test number 4, mast continuity to the radial coaxial input. We now have our negative side of the probe connected to the coaxial adapter. We have continuity. Touching the housing, we have no continuity. Back to the tester. Touching the mast, we have continuity. This demonstrates that the mast is connected to the coaxial input. But insulated from the housing of the antenna.